In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move virtual machines between regions in Azure. This process is a crucial step for optimizing how you utilize Azure resources, and it can significantly impact your workflow's efficiency. So, let's dive right in. Before we get started, it's important to ensure everything is set up correctly. First, please check that you have owner permissions on your Azure subscription. This is vital to perform any moves within Azure. You'll also need to verify that your source region to target region is supported for the specific virtual machine size and the types of disks you're using. Compatibility is key, so it's a step you definitely don't want to skip. Make sure your virtual machine is up to date, paying special attention to operating system patches and any necessary certificates. This will ensure the replication process proceeds as smoothly as possible. Next, head to the Azure portal and look for the tool called Resource Mover. This will be your main interface for relocating your virtual machines. Once there, click on Get Started, and then choose Move Across Regions. You'll now need to select the source subscription and region, which is the current location of your virtual machine. After that, specify the target region where you'd like to move it. The next step is selecting the virtual machine you plan to move. The tool will intuitively pick out its dependencies, such as disks and network interface cards for you. Occasionally, the tool might flag missing resources that are essential for the move, such as a network interface. Be sure to add any required resources as prompted by the tool to prevent issues later. You'll find yourself on the Across Regions page, where your VM will be in a Prepare Pending state. Click on the Prepare button to start copying data to the target region. Don't worry, while the replication process is ongoing, your source VM remains running. Once the preparation is complete, it's time to initiate the move, sometimes referred to as the cutover. When you click Initiate Move, the source virtual machine will shut down, and the same virtual machine will begin running in your selected target region. Be prepared for some downtime during this phase, as the service will need a moment to transition everything over. Finally, once you've confirmed that the virtual machine is up and running smoothly in the target region, move on to the last step, committing the move. Click Commit Move to finalize the entire process, which will place your old virtual machine in a state of pending deletion. If you no longer need the original VM or any associated resources, it's wise to proceed with their deletion to avoid unnecessary costs. There you have it, a step-by-step guide to moving your Azure virtual machines across regions. Operating these processes may initially seem complex, but with this guide, you should now have a firm understanding of how to execute a smooth and successful migration.